years ago, I got surprised by my colleagues on the committee when they suddenly presented me with a glass bowl to recognise the years I'd been involved with the show. And I think it's about time I got my own back. So, Marlene, is Marlene around? Come on, Marlene. Marlene's been involved nearly as long as I have. So, in a token of thanks to her from the committee, we'd like to present her with this little bowl, this tulip bowl. 22 years, 23 years. 23 years she's been involved with the committee, that's only one less than me. So thank you very much, Marlene, really appreciate all you've done. Thank you very much. Mavis. Now I think Mavis, according to the records I can find, 2 years after I started. So that's, I don't know whether it's 1 or 2, but it's the same length of time, and she's been involved all these years as well, so I think it's about time I got my own back on her as well. So Mavis, you'd like to come forward? There you go.